Hey viewers, welcome back. If you're thinking about getting Tag Mobile's free government phone and zero bill service, this quick review will cover everything the pros, cons, and real user insights so you can make an informed decision. Tag Mobile is a lifeline provider, which means if you qualify through low income or government assistance programs, you can get a free phone plan at zero monthly cost. Plans typically include unlimited talk, text, and some free data. Tag Mobile uses major networks like AT&T and T-Mobile, so coverage is solid in most cities across the U.S. The biggest advantages are no monthly bills and a fast, straightforward application process. In California, for example, the standard Lifeline plan is completely free and includes 10 gigabytes of high-speed 5G data plus free international calling to over 200 countries. That's a huge value for anyone on a tight budget. Many users report that Tag Mobile reliably connects Lifeline customers, making it an accessible option for basic communication needs. On the flip side, the free phones are usually basic models and may feel slow compared to modern smartphones. Customer service can also take longer to respond, which might be frustrating if you need immediate support. Because Tag Mobile focuses mainly on Lifeline users, the service and device options are limited for those seeking premium phones or advanced features. Real users, including Reddit contributors, note that Tag Mobile primarily serves Lifeline customers, which is why it's sometimes referred to as the Obama phone program. It's perfect if your budget is zero and all you need is basic connectivity, but not ideal if you want high-end devices or fast, personalized customer support. In short, Tag Mobile is a great choice for anyone who qualifies for Lifeline and needs free, reliable service with unlimited talk, text, and data. Just remember the trade-offs: basic phones and slower support. If this review helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay smart, stay connected, and stay prepared.